So, for the last 3 months, I've been working on building a portfolio, which I call my Bus 13, to figure out what are the best stocks to invest in for what I believe is going to be the best money making opportunity in my lifetime, even exceeding the digital revolution in the 1990s through the 2000s up until 2022. What's the stocks to invest in this artificial intelligence revolution? I thought, well, let's use the artificial intelligence revolution and ask ChatGPT some very direct questions as to who are going to be the major players in the various segments, not only the infrastructure that has to be built, but also the marketing of artificial intelligence to the consumer as well as to businesses, who are going to be the big winners. So I went to ChatGPT and got very specific, and what I want to share with you in this video is exactly the companies that ChatGPT told me I should be investing in to take advantage of what I believe is the money-making opportunity of my lifetime, and I've been alive for 78 years. So that gives you some reference point as to how big I think it's going to be. Now, this is not financial advice. This is me sharing my knowledge as well as what I've been able to extract from ChatGPT. We'll get right to it.
Best of Us Investors presents Kerry Griegmeyer.
As I said, what I did was go into ChatGPT, ask some specific questions, and then saw what the responses were. I then went back and asked some further questions in more detail, and here is what I received. I think it's valuable information. You tell me what you think.
The AI revolution is driven by advancements in several key areas, including semiconductors, memory storage, computing capacity, and infrastructure. Let's break down the relationship between these components. Semiconductors, particularly specialized chips called AI accelerators or neural processing units, NPUs, are designed to optimize AI computations. These chips are highly efficient at performing the complex calculations required for AI tasks, such as machine learning algorithms. As AI models become more complex and require greater computational power, the need for improved semiconductors becomes crucial to meet the demand for faster and more efficient AI processing. AI applications generate and process vast amounts of data. Therefore, efficient memory storage solutions are essential to store and access this data quickly. Technologies such as solid-state drives, SSDs, and non-volatile memory express, NVMe, provide faster data transfer rates and lower latency, enabling AI systems to retrieve and process data more rapidly. The increasing demand for large-scale data storage and fast access drives innovation in memory storage technologies. AI algorithms require substantial computing capacity to analyze data, learn from it, and make predictions or decisions. Traditional central processing units, CPUs, have limitations in processing AI workloads efficiently. However, with the rise of graphics processing units, GPUs, and specialized AI chips, such as tensor processing units, TPUs, the computing capacity for AI tasks has significantly increased. These powerful processors handle parallel computations and accelerate AI training and inference tasks. AI infrastructure refers to the underlying hardware, software, and networking components necessary to support AI systems. This infrastructure includes data centers with high-performance servers, networking equipment for data transfer, and cloud computing resources. The growth of AI requires robust and scalable infrastructure to handle the massive computational requirements, store and process large datasets, and facilitate efficient AI workflows. Now, let's discuss the major players in this space. Semiconductor companies like Intel, Nvidia, AMD, and Qualcomm are major players in developing and manufacturing semiconductors, including AI accelerators and GPUs. Memory storage companies such as Samsung, Micron, Western Digital, and Toshiba focus on developing and producing memory storage solutions like SSDs, NVMe drives, and other advanced memory technologies. Companies like Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud, and IBM Cloud provide the necessary infrastructure, including high-performance servers, storage, and networking, to support AI applications and services. Companies like OpenAI, Google, Microsoft, and IBM develop AI software frameworks, libraries, and tools that enable developers to build and deploy AI models. These companies also offer AI services and platforms for businesses and consumers. Regarding AI marketing to consumers, the major players will include consumer electronics companies. Companies like Apple, Samsung, Google, Amazon, and Microsoft will market AI-enabled products such as smartphones, smart speakers, wearables, and home automation devices to consumers. These products will feature AI capabilities such as voice assistance, image recognition, and personalized recommendations. AI service providers, companies like Amazon, with Alexa, Google, with Google Assistant, and Apple, with Siri, will market their AI-powered virtual assistants directly to consumers. These assistants provide personalized recommendations, perform tasks, and offer various services based on user interactions. Social media and e-commerce platforms, companies like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and e-commerce platforms like Amazon and Alibaba leverage AI to deliver targeted advertisements, personalized content, and product recommendations to consumers. Numerous AI startups will emerge to create innovative AI-driven products and services targeting specific consumer needs. These startups may focus on areas like healthcare, education, entertainment, and personal AI. There are several companies that are leading the way in providing AI platforms and solutions for various business applications. Here are some key players in different sectors. Customer service and support. Salesforce offers an AI-powered customer relationship management (CRM) platform called Salesforce Einstein, which provides AI-driven insights, recommendations, and automation for sales, marketing, and customer service. Zendesk utilizes AI to enhance customer support interactions through its platform, which includes AI-powered chatbots, automated ticket routing, and sentiment analysis. LivePerson specializes in AI chatbot and conversational AI solutions for customer support, enabling businesses to automate and improve their customer interactions. Industry-specific applications. IBM provides industry-specific AI solutions across various sectors, including healthcare, finance, retail, and manufacturing. Their Watson platform offers AI capabilities for natural language processing, machine learning, and data analytics. Siemens offers AI-driven solutions for industrial automation, energy management, and smart infrastructure. They leverage AI to optimize processes, improve efficiency, and enable predictive maintenance in various industries. NVIDIA provides AI platforms and solutions for industries such as automotive, robotics, healthcare, and finance. Their GPUs and AI accelerators power AI applications in these domains. Healthcare. Google Health focuses on AI applications in healthcare, including medical imaging analysis, electronic health record management, and predictive analytics for disease diagnosis and treatment planning. IBM Watson Health combines AI with healthcare data to provide insights for personalized medicine, clinical decision support, and population health management. Tempus utilizes AI to analyze and interpret clinical and molecular data, enabling precision medicine, drug discovery, and clinical research. These are just a few examples, and the AI landscape is rapidly evolving with new players constantly emerging. It's important to note that different companies may have expertise in different sectors and applications, and the choice of AI platform will depend on specific business requirements and objectives.
At this point, I jumped in and I said I had some companies that I had identified that I thought were going to be key players that he hadn't mentioned up until this time, and I wanted him to give me some specific data, such as ASML, who is the only and the largest manufacturer of these semiconductor manufacturing. He didn't mention that, so I wanted to get into that. I'd also identified some companies that have just recently had some wonderful growth in their stock price, such as Opera Limited and Azure Testing Systems and Extreme Technologies. And I wanted him to tell me if they were key players and if they supported the research that I had done up until this time. And these are the answers he gave me.
While the companies you mentioned are indeed significant players in their respective fields, it's important to note that not all of them may be primarily focused on AI or considered major players in the broader AI landscape. Let's review each company. ASML is a leading supplier of photolithography systems for the semiconductor industry. While they play a critical role in semiconductor manufacturing, they are not primarily known for AI-related products or platforms. Broadcom is a global semiconductor company that provides a wide range of semiconductor and infrastructure software solutions. While they do produce components used in AI systems, they are not primarily focused on AI platforms or solutions. Oracle is a major player in enterprise software and database management systems. While they have integrated AI capabilities into their products and offer AI-related services, they are not solely an AI company. C3.ai is an AI software company that provides enterprise AI applications for industries such as energy, manufacturing, and healthcare. They focus on developing and delivering AI solutions and platforms to address specific industry needs. Rambus is a technology company that specializes in semiconductor IP, intellectual property, and security solutions. While they have expertise in memory and security technologies, they are not predominantly recognized as an AI-focused company. Air Test Systems provide semiconductor test and burn-in equipment. While they contribute to semiconductor testing, they are not a primary player in the AI space. Extreme Networks. Extreme Networks is a networking company that offers network infrastructure solutions. While they may provide networking solutions for AI systems, they are not specifically an AI-focused company. Opera Limited is a web browser company that provides web browsing and related services. While they may utilize AI technologies within their browser or services, they are not primarily an AI company. Axelis Technologies specializes in manufacturing ion implantation systems for the semiconductor industry. While they play a role in semiconductor manufacturing, they are not primarily focused on AI. It's worth mentioning that the AI landscape is continuously evolving, and company strategies can change over time. While the companies you mentioned may have some involvement in AI-related technologies or applications, they may not be considered major players in the broader AI space compared to companies like Google, Microsoft, Amazon, IBM, and NVIDIA, which have significant investments and offerings in AI technologies and platforms.
Okay, so that's it. I think it was a very good learning experience for me. Brought into focus exactly what the relationship of all the companies are and how they're going to play. And I think I am seeing, as he is saying, that there are some companies that are going to immediately get a response because everybody's going to recognize they're going to be the big players, and that would include NVIDIA. I would think it would also include Google and Microsoft. But then he goes into and tells me some other deeper players, and then I have found some stocks that I thought quite possibly had gone up in my research as a result of ChatGPT. And obviously, he's saying there are other reasons. So what I'm going to do is take this information and plug it into my Bus 13. I have dropped some of the companies that I originally thought were going to be players for other reasons, and I'm going to be offering some additional. It looks like, to me, he came up with something in the neighborhood of 20 names of companies that I need to research and see where they fit in and how I should invest in them and how I should play them relative to my overall Bus 13 portfolio. And I invite you to come to our Discord. There will be a link in the description to get on Bus 13 and get access to the information I'm going to focus on how artificial intelligence, ChatGPT, general learning, how this is going to present opportunity and how I can profit off of it. I hope that was beneficial to you. It was a little different way of presenting a video, but I hope it worked for you as well as it worked for me. Talk to you again tomorrow.